Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the process on how to add YouTube channel link to TikTok. So if you also want to add YouTube channel links, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up and get the link that you want to copy from YouTube. You cannot get the link through the YouTube app, but you can get the link from the website of YouTube, or you'll need to download YouTube Studios and you can easily copy the link, and after that you can open up your TikTok, and from here you can head over to your profile and tap on edit profile. Now you can see an option of YouTube on the bottom of the screen. Nowadays TikTok allows personal accounts to also add YouTube links, but you don't see that link. You can always switch your account to a business account on the three lines on the top right of the screen and head over to settings and privacy and tap on accounts. Here you'll see an option of switch to business account. You can easily switch your account to a business account from there, and after that you should be able to see the link or the option of add to YouTube. You can simply tap on that. If your Google account that your YouTube is linked to is logged into your phone, you don't need to copy the link to your channel. You can allow access to TikTok to link to your YouTube account. You can tap on allow, and as soon as you do that, you can head over to your profile section again, and you can see that the YouTube icon has appeared on my profile. Now if I tap on that, it will straight take me to the YouTube channel that I've just added. So that was the easy process on how to add YouTube link to TikTok. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more interesting videos similar to this.